What's up guys, Jupiter98 here, and this is me. So basically I'll be showing you how to blur stuff in Photoshop. So if it contains like explicit content or personal details or private information, um you can blur it out. With Adobe Photoshop you can blur stuff out. And I've got Elements 10, so I'm going to show you how to do it in Elements 10. Maybe some newer or older versions, but I have 2010 version, but it's 2011. It says 2001 to 2011. You can see it here. 2001, 2011, right here. Okay, you might want to open a file, pictures, screenshots. Got it. So, okay, you might want to use the rectangular. Might want to use the rectangular marquee tool. Recycle bin. Let's do recycle bin. So that's just okay. Gaussian blur is recommended. I mean, you can yeah, basically a little bit more. Yep. This is basically my current computer. This is my current desktop at the moment. Okay, I recommend Mosaic. Okay, so this is pixelate, this motion blur. Blur. Motion blur. So you can do this. Do any of these methods to protect your personal details and filter out explicit content. You can even like ocean ripples recommended. Okay, ripple size. So you can do this to filter out stuff or make it look glitched. Okay, let's keep on doing this stuff. So you can many different types of blur. Radio blur. Okay, let's select that. You couldn't do any of these looking cool blurs. Why not pick? We should probably pixelate the Steam logo. That would be amazing. That you can do any of these methods. Okay. Okay, may wanna okay, let's try practicing. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, okay. Okay, just double pixelated. That looks, I mean, it looks like it's very corrupted, but Mosaic is the one to actually focus on. Um, Okay, okay. That looks better because, yeah, you can pixelate certain stuff. So that's basically how to distort stuff in Photoshop. They go to the filter section. So like and subscribe for more. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to like my and put a like on my video. I'll see you soon. So,